let's take a look at how to take a screenshot or print your screen when you're working on a PC. If you're working on a Mac, it's a little bit different than this, and if you Google screenshot on a Mac, you will come up with a great answer. So right here, I am in my Adobe Acrobat window, and I need to take a picture of this toolbar up here. So what I'm going to do is find the print screen key on my keyboard. Now, on a desktop keyboard, it's probably above your number pad, and it might say print screen. If you have a laptop, which is smaller, my print screen key is on the same key as F11, and I would have to hold down the blue FN key, which is down on the bottom left by the control, and then type that print screen key on my laptop. So I'm going to show you another way if you don't like the print screen key or can't find it in a minute. But right now, let's try print screen. So I'm clicking the print screen key, and it appears as nothing has happened, but something has happened. The computer's taken a picture of both my screens, because I have two more than you can see here right now, and it's saved it on the clipboard. So now I'm going to go over to my Word document, and you can see I've done this once before. So now I'm over here, and I'm going to click paste or use my keyboard shortcuts, Control V, and it gives me the whole, both of my screens are there. You can see, this is the part you can see over here, and this is the other part you can't see. Now that's pretty big, and you don't need all of that. So if I click on my picture to select it, I'm going to go up here to my Format tab that only becomes available after I click on my picture, and I'm going to crop my picture. So I click crop once, and I can slide these little black bars in and up, because I just need that toolbar on the top there, and maybe over. I'll leave the blue on the top because it's pretty. And I have to click crop again to get it to actually crop. And now I'm going to grab the bottom corner and just make it bigger so we can see what we've got there. So print screen key is one way of doing that, and then I would be able to save this document, upload it into Blackboard to submit an assignment. The other way is by using something called the Snipping tool. So I go down here to my Start button, and I have Snipping tool because I use it a lot. It's right there in my Start menu. But if you don't have Snipping tool in your Start menu, you just click in this little search bar. I put Start instead of Snip. So, and then my Snipping tool comes right up. I'm going to click on that, and you'll see how it grays out my screen. And I get this little toolbar here. So when my screen is grayed out, I get this different cursor, which is a little plus, and I can just click and drag to select the area that I'd like to take a picture of. And now this gives me a little more information, because it gives me a window where I have taken my picture. It shows me what it is. I can mark it with a pen or highlight things on it if I need to. If you need to show me something that way, you can do that. You can also copy right there. You can save it as a picture. And then this button allows you to email it right from your program if you have Outlook set up on your computer. So I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to go over to my Word document, and I'm going to paste again like I did before, and then you can see that that showed up right there. If I don't quite like the way it turned out and I need to take another one, I just click New, and same thing again. It grays out my screen. I can take another picture, and I can copy it, and I can paste it over here. So those are two ways of taking screenshots, one using the Snipping tool, and the other, I don't need to save that, using the print screen key. If you've got questions or need help uploading things in Blackboard, please let me know.